Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking the app's permissions and the account tied to it. Open Settings, go to Apps, pick the app, and inspect granted permissions. This is the quickest cause. If a permission is missing, toggle it off and on, then restart the app so the OS reevaluates access. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct user profile or account because mismatched credentials can trigger denials even with permissions enabled. Now examine system-wide controls that override app settings. If the device has parental controls, enterprise management, or mobile device management, these can block access despite local permissions. Contact the admin if needed. Clear the app cache and free storage, and verify the app version is compatible with your OS. Outdated builds can be rejected. Also, correlate when the denial began with recent OS updates or new security policies, because those changes often alter permission behavior. To finish, reinstall or update the app to ensure a clean state. Make sure to test immediately after a fresh install so cached policy remnants don't interfere. If that fails, reset app preferences or force a policy refresh from device management settings to reapply permissions. If the denial persists, collect diagnostic info, screenshots, timestamps, and system logs, and contact support or the admin. This precise evidence lets them reproduce the problem and resolve policy or compatibility conflicts faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.